Hey kids, Mr. A here. Simple sheet of paper. We're going to be looking at a visual representation of equivalent fractions. So let's take this right here. We have one whole sheet of paper. One whole sheet. Let's tear this in half to represent 1/2. So now we have this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Right? 1/2 plus 1/2 does equal 1 whole. So if we were to put them together, you could see it's still 1 whole. But if we split it in half, it's 1/2. So now I have 1/2 of a whole. Now I have a whole. Now I have the 1/2. Now let's split this again. Now I've split it. Now I had to split both sides because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So disregard the numbers. We'll go on the back. So now my total pieces, let's lay them down. Now I have 4 total pieces. It's still all the same whole. So if I was to take my half, but now when it's split into 4 pieces, I now have 2 of 4. So I have 2/4 now if I was to keep this. And this is that same half that I took apart from the whole paper. And if you look, if I was to say I had all 4 of these, I have 1 whole. 4 of 4. So that's 4 over 4. 4 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. Let's split it again. Because again, we're showing all the equivalent fractions that we have. And whatever you do to the one side, you have to do to the other. And so now, we have a total. Keep in mind, this was our original half. Okay. Now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, this was our original half right here. So now I have 4 of the 8. 4/8. Still 1 whole. If I was to put it together, I'd have 1 whole. 8 of 8. And we can do this again. You're never going to guess. Go ahead right now. You can pause the video. Try to figure out how many, if we split it again in half, how many total pieces we would have. Okay, good. Welcome back. Let's count. I think I might run out of room here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 total pieces. If I put them all together, I have 16 out of 16, and anything over itself is 1. 16 over 16 is 1. Now 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 of 16. Let's see if we were to even just kind of slightly put them together. You would see that we still have half. And if you remember when we started, we tore that paper in half. So now we still have half. So half of this one, when it's split into 16 parts, is 8 parts. So that's your fraction visual. Equivalent fractions. Same value, different numbers.